In this video guide, we will give you detailed recommendations on how to effectively get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Movie Search Home, or also known under the name of the website moviesearchhome.com. So this is a browser hijacker due to certain factors. One factor is that it changes certain crucial browser settings, and when you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are now delivered by some strange search engine not selected by you initially. Sometimes the results may also be provided by Bing, by Yahoo Search, but not by Google anymore. And if you are not happy with all such amendments into the way your browser now operates, you need to get rid of this Movie Search Home hijacker as soon as possible. Another thing I want to tell you about Movie Search Home is that this extension is often distributed through being bundled with some free applications. So in most of the cases, people download and install it pretty unintentionally, unwillingly, and that's the reason why it is classified correctly as a potentially unwanted program. To get rid of the Movie Search Home browser hijacker, you need to access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, then click on Extensions. So Movie Search Home extension should be somewhere here. Get rid of it, or first disable and then remove it, whatever option you choose. And after it is successfully removed, the problem should no longer reoccur. But your Google Chrome and your Mac could still be contaminated by some other hidden adware. To fix all your Mac-related problems, I recommend you to examine it with the help of the program named Combo Cleaner, the antivirus for Mac. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, click on Start Combo Scan button and begin the complex analysis and investigation of your Mac computer, and you will see the summary of all threads at the end of scanning. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threads on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threads are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threads, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the thread name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific thread one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threads automatically and keep your Mac protected.